Well, time to now get you the latest with what is happening between the Delhi-Gurgaon highway. That is the border. That's the Haryana government has asked to seal the border yet again. To get more details, let's go across to my colleague Akshay, who's joining us. Akshay, what details do you have for us?
Right now, we're at the Delhi-Gurugram border, and the sealing of Delhi-Haryana borders have come into effect. We can show you the ocean of vehicles that has emerged here, and we can show you that total chaos and ruckus has erupted at the Delhi-Gurugram border. Thousands and thousands of vehicles have gathered here. We all know that how yesterday there was a statement from Anil Vish, the Home Minister of Haryana, stating that a lot of people travelling from Delhi to Gurugram, Delhi to Haryana are spreading coronavirus, and this after some cases were traced back to Delhi. But is this a solution is what we are asking, because the entire Delhi NCR region is economically interdependent. Several of these people are working in the state of Haryana, in Gurugram, in Faridabad and several other places, and all of them who are not being allowed to enter end up risking their jobs, because a lot of people have been told that if you do not turn up, then you might lose your job, and especially at a time when these people have been hit the hardest. भाई साहब, आप काम करते हैं यहाँ पर? नाम?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
तो क्या बताया जा रहा है यहाँ पे?
ये बिगर पास वालों को नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं।
तो और काम क्या करते हैं सर आप? काम क्या करते हैं?
एलिवेटर लाइन में।
तो क्या बोला जा रहा है, बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं जाने दिया जाएगा?
बिल्कुल नहीं जाने दे रहा है। जिसके पास पास है वही जाएगा, बोल रहे नहीं तो।
So only people with passes who are into essential services will be allowed. But we can show you the situation. We can say safely that this definitely is a failure of planning, and if a strategic planning would have been done, the situation would not have been like this as far as the Delhi-Gurugram border is concerned. We would like to speak to some other people. भाई साहब, आप भी गुरुग्राम में काम करते हैं? So what is the problem right now?
ये फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ मेरे साथ कि ये दिक्कत आ रही है इधर जाने में, कि हमारे पास होते हुए हमें वापस रिटर्न भेजा जा रहा है।
आप किस लाइन में काम करते हैं?
हम हिमालय ड्रग कंपनी हेल्थ केयर से हैं।
ओके,
हाँ जी।
तो क्या बताया गया यहाँ पर कि आज जाने नहीं दिया जाएगा?
नहीं, आगे जाके हमने पता किया, वो कह रहे हैं कि आपको रिटर्न जाना पड़ेगा, ये पास मान्य नहीं है।
अच्छा,
तो आपको जो न्यू पास है, ऑलरेडी डेली बेस पे आपको रिन्यू करवाना पड़ेगा।
तो इससे क्या लगता है कि आपकी जो जॉब है उसके ऊपर भी खतरा है अगर आपको जाने नहीं दिया जाए लंबे टाइम तक? तो
नहीं, ऐसा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
मतलब कि the problem of COVID-19 is not ending anytime soon. The cases in Delhi are every day coming at a very high manner, and we can show you that these people who are not being allowed also end up risking their jobs, risking their profession, if a permanent solution to these people is not provided anytime soon.
Right, chaos and confusion returns back to the Delhi-Gurugram border, where in fact the state's Home Minister Anil Vish has issued fresh orders for sealing of the border, and this is just when the lockdown of 4.0 was coming to an end on the 31st of May. Here we have seen utter chaos again returns to the border. The border has been sealed.